Welcome. In this video, we'll discuss how to fix Telegram downloading problems. If you're encountering issues with downloading content on Telegram, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. 1. Check your network connection. Start by ensuring that you have a stable and strong network connection, as a poor connection can hinder the downloading process on Telegram. 2. Ensure sufficient storage space. Make sure that your device has enough available storage space to accommodate the downloads from Telegram. Insufficient storage can lead to download issues. 3. Clear Telegram cache. Clearing the cache of the Telegram app can help resolve download problems by removing any temporary data that might be causing issues with the downloading process. 4. Delete the unofficial version of Telegram. If you have an unofficial version of Telegram installed on your device, delete it and then retry downloading the official version from the App Store. Unofficial versions can sometimes cause download conflicts. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and fix Telegram downloading problems, ensuring a smooth experience when downloading content on the platform. We hope this guide helps you in resolving any downloading issues on Telegram efficiently. Thank you for watching.